Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix a unsupported image type of Google Slides. So for example, if you try to running Google Slides and you get frustrated because of the image cannot uploaded, cannot imported because of unsupported or incompatible with your Google Slides. And here is the fix. Thank you for holyland.com to provide us these tips. Sorry, so let's start here. How to fix it? You can try to solve the issue with the first method. Just change the file type here. Open the folder where you have saved the image file on your computer. In the File Explorer windows, click on the View tab at the top, and in the Show Hide section, check the file name extension option. So this will display the file extension for each file. Right click on the image file and select Rename from the menu, and here change the file extension of the image to supported format. Refer to the list of supported image format in Google Slides such as a JPG, PNG, GIF, etc. Then try inserting the modified image file into your Google Slide again. So here, for example, if you have a unsupported pictures, for example non-JPG, this is already JPG, sorry, just click, then try to click a properties. Here we go, this is the JPG. So here, in order to change it, you can try to rename, and here we go, try to change the JPG with the PNG, for example. Then here, if you change the file name extension, the file might become unusable. Just click yes. So here, or you can try to convert your JPG into PNG. And method 2, you can upload the image to Google Drive. So you can upload the image file, click new button in the Google Drive, then select File Upload. Choose the image file from your computer to upload to Google Drive. Open Google Slides and then go to the slide where you want to insert the image. Click Insert menu at the top. Here we go. In the Insert drop down, select Drive, this one, Drive. In the Google Drive sidebar, locate and select the uploaded image file. And last, as you can see, as I mentioned before, you can convert the unsupported image type, for example, such as JPEG to PNG and so on. So you can try to use online conversion tools, or if you have a photo editor software that can convert, you can try to use that to convert to supported format. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click on the button below. See you in the next video.